Welcome to Learn How To. Let us talk about the cardinality of sets and have some comfortable idea to solve the related word problems. But first, what is cardinality of a set? The number of elements of a set is called its cardinality. The cardinality of a set A is denoted by NA. Let us see the following examples. Let's say equal to A, E, I, O, U. Then NA equals to 5. And NB equals to set of days of a week, then NB equals 7. To make it easy to solve word problems, we use various notations. Let's learn them through an example. Suppose A equals to set of students who like apple and B equals to set of students who like banana. Then NA stands for the number of students who like apple and B stands for the number of students who like banana. N not A means the number of students who like apple only. N not B means the number of students who like banana only. Likewise, N intersection B represents the number of students who like apple and banana both. And A union B bar represents the number of students who like neither apple nor banana. Now observe the Venn diagram. There are two sets A and B represented by two circles in the universal set U. In the Venn diagram, there are altogether 4 parts: N not A, N A intersection B, N not B, and N A union B bar. In the Venn diagram, we can easily see the following relations. 1. N not A plus N A intersection B plus N not B plus N A union B bar equals to NU. N not A plus N A intersection B equals NA. With the help of these two relations, we can solve almost all word problems of two sets and U. See the following example. In a class of 45 students, 26 students like apple, 30 students like mango, and 10 students do not like any of the fruits. By using Venn diagram, find 1. How many like both the fruits? 2. How many like only one type of fruits? And 3. How many like at least one of the fruits? Solution. First of all, we suppose the sets given in the question by using suitable capital letters. Let A equal to set of students who like apple and M equals to set of students who like mango. Now collect the numerical information given in the question by using cardinality notation, which we have already discussed. Here NU equals 45, NA equals 26, and M equals 30, and A union M bar equals 10. Since NA intersection M is not given, let it be X. Let us draw a Venn diagram and fill the cardinality for this. First, we write X in the intersection of A and M. Next, NA is 26, out of which X is already written in the intersection. So write 26 minus X in the portion of N not A. Similarly, write 30 minus X in the portion of N not M. Finally, fill the portion of NA union M bar by 10. From the Venn diagram, we have N not A plus N intersection M plus N not M plus N A union M bar equals to NU. Substituting the values, we can have 26 minus X plus 30 minus X plus 10 equals to 45. By solving this equation, we get X equals 21. Now let's put 21 in the Venn diagram so as to get the value of every part. Looking the Venn diagram, let's find the answers of all the questions. Our first question is how many like both the fruits? The answer is NA intersection M equals 21. The second question is how many like only one type of fruits? The answer is N not A plus N not M equals to 5 plus 9 equals 14. The final question is how many like at least one of the fruits? This question has asked us to find a value of NA union M, which is 5 plus 21 plus 9 equals 35.